Welcome back to Island Life Live. It is day 3 officially here in Tulalip for the 2025 Native Hawaiian Convention. Lena Girl's over there, Davey D's over here, and we are just, I'm not ready to go home yet, sis. How about you?
We have a whole day of conventioning here.
Yes, we do.
And I am just excited of all of the great things that we've already experienced, but also all of the great things that are going to be happening after convention as well, right? I mean, I just see so much call to action coming out of the workshop. So this is super, super exciting.
Yes, and we just want to start the show off with a big mahalo out to some of our partners, American Savings Bank, for bringing us our broadcasts over these last few days. We had a chance to talk to Billy Piper over from American Savings Bank, and the future looks amazing, especially for our Native Hawaiians who are looking to buy homes. Make sure you contact American Savings Bank, and of course, our Lole, amazing Lole, sis.
Yes, a very big mahalo to Kumu Chrissy. We appreciate her so much. Living hula coming out of the Hawaii Island, Kona side. Just, I can tell you, I walk down the hallways and I get all kind of compliments. At first I thought it was my beauty, but no, it's what I was wearing. It's my Lole.
It's both, sis. Come on.
Thank you so much to Living Hula.
I said, no, brother. Stop with the compliments.
Being real.
But, to this morning, they the performance or the preview of Hi'iaka Ikapoliopele. I mean, it is amazing. We'll get a chance to talk to Kuhio Lewis, the CEO of Hawaiian Council, coming up a little bit later on. But it's just amazing the production value that Hawaiian Council brings to these conventions. And we've been to 3 of them now.
Yes.
We went to the one in Waikiki, we went to the one in Waikoloa, or Vegas,
yes,
and now here. And it seems like...
As a team.
Yeah, as a team. And it seems like every single time it is being leveled up. What was your thoughts on Hi'iaka Ikapoliopele, sis?
Well, first of all, I just think that it's amazing that this story is being told in a different medium. We have seen it told in mo'olelo, in stories. We have seen it sometimes danced in, various hula. But when you're combining Broadway musical production and choreography, the lighting, the staging, all of that, it tells an incredibly different story, but one that just kind of hits right at your pico.
Absolutely. Boom. And to involve all of the cast members, I mean, from
and
Amy,
people we know,
Jana,
brother.
yeah,
yes,
that was the one thing. Chardonnay,
Star Kalahiki, yes.
And we've spoken to people in the film industry, the television industry in Hawaii, and it seems like they all have that same theme. Like, we get the talent. We have the actors. We have the people who can pull these roles off, and it was demonstrated in that for day 2 preview of Hi'iaka Ikapoliopele. And this is amazing.
Better. Oh yeah, absolutely. I think hopefully film producers, directors, executive producers, those people with the money, and we'll see the incredible talent that we have and help to bolster our film industry in Hawaii.
Yeah.
Once again.
And then perhaps, as Kumu Patrick Makuakane said, take Hi'iaka Ikapoliopele, the show, the production, to New York.
Yeah.
Fetch
my love.
No, I'm not going to sing.
Different song.
Yeah. So we got a fully loaded show today, and we asked if you can just hang out with us, because we're going to learn even more about what the Hawaiian Council does and how effective it is on bridging and kind of stringing our lāhui together. So
yeah, I'm excited for some of the people we're going to be talking story with. One of them is a very important member of not just the Hawaiian Council's board, but she sits on a number of boards across the state that really helps to uplift our people. So that's going to be exciting.
Oh yeah, she's on.
She's on hammer.
Manawahine for sure. And then, of course, we'll wrap the day with Kuhio Lewis, so we'll get some final thoughts on him. But if you don't mind, sis, shall we get into the show?
Let's do this.
Let's run that open, and we're going to hit it.